You lazy, lazy, lazy effing truck drivers these days. Let me tell you something. Do you know what causes catastrophic tire failure? Underinflation. Underinflation causes catastrophic tire failure, especially in the heat, because heat is what makes it happen. Yes, tires today are a lot crappier than they used to be. Yes, they're not as good as they used to be. I get it. But on big trucks and commercial trucks, they're as good now as they ever were. What's causing these tires to blow is the fact that the lazy ass truck driver doesn't want to get out and do a real pre-trip, walk around, kick the tires, and check the pressure. Check the pressure in your goddamn tire. Because the life you save might be my kids. When you blow out a tire, that gator, as you call it, goes all over the place into somebody's windshield, makes them go off the road. Why is it that hard? Why? Tell me. Get your ass out of the truck, kick the tires, put a tire gauge on it, and if it's soft, put air in the freaking thing.